Maxie.
Hold on to Maggie.
Maxie's on the seesaw with his friends. That's a wide load on this end. Maxie's holding up his end just fine.
Hold on tight.
Oh look, Callie Cakes gets the middle.
Yay!
Yay!
In the middle. I know what the monkey is. Usually this one.
I think you're all monkeys. Ready, stand?
We're not sure what to do in LA today. It's about to rain. We're not used to this.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Whoa, hold on.
Whoa.
Wiggle, wiggle.
We're about to have to seek shelter, not sure where to go.
Uh-oh, is it sprinkling?
Okay, so plans in action. I know.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
sprinkling.
Oh no, what are we gonna do? 911, rain in LA.
We can run to Cali Chicken Cafe. We can run to Snug Harbor. We can get in
You
our
wanna come up
cars
here,
and go to
Frankie?
Veggie Grill. We
With
can get
Daddy?
in the cars and go to our.
Should we just walk over to somewhere that's right next door? Because if we have to walk in the rain, we might die.
Can you sign no picture? Did you walk here or drive here? Yay!
I drove. You know me, I normally walk.
Frankie, hold on.
Yay!
Where's my camera now?
You guys are really, really precious. Max is the token boy of this group today. He has a lot of girlfriends.
There you go.
Hold on, everybody.
Max, will you wave bye-bye? Mommy's going bye-bye. Bye-bye, love you.
Everybody say wow!